composers, Mike here with another Logic Pro X tutorial for you. And this time it's about recording new parts with the metronome activating automatically. Alright, so this tip is actually really simple, but man is it important. Because every time you interrupt your workflow having to redo something just because you made a mistake, well, that's frustrating and you will find your creativity lost. So the thing I always did before was to start recording. Well, you have the click track on K, at least on my key command setup. So if you click on K, you see the metronome is activated. So then you can record something. Whatever. So the problem I used to have is that I forgot to activate the metronome before. So I press record, which is here on my keyboard or here on my controller. Record. Oh yeah, I'm gonna record. No, I forgot the metronome. Have to press spacebar, delete, and do everything again. Well, because when you're recording, you cannot even activate the metronome. Here's the solution. Super simple. Right click and go to the on the metronome icon, go to metronome settings, deactivate simple mode, and just click this box. Click while recording. And I don't want to click while playing, so this means that I can now, the metronome is not on, but if I press record, it continues to play. As soon as I press spacebar, that recording is finished. Now if I go back and play back this part, no metronome. So the metronome is only on while I record, because I've chosen that in the metronome settings. Deactivate simple mode, click while recording, deactivate click while playing. And by the way, you can also go in here and do advanced settings on how you want the metronome sound to be, the tone of the click, the volume of it, and so on. So experiment with these settings as well. But this tip is about click while recording and not while playing. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.